How to edit design on Ecwid. Hi guys, welcome. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to edit designs on Ecwid. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply log into your Ecwid store, and this is where you will get this is our main dashboard, and we want to actually edit the design for our website that we have on Ecwid. So for that, you will find this panel right here, and you just have to scroll down. In configuration, you will find design. Click on design and it will open up your store image for you. So you can see right here, change the look of your store. Here, I will be able to change the design of my store completely with all of these different options available. So let me show you. First, we have image size. So we can go with a large image size like this, or we can go with a medium one, or we can go with small. So it depends on you. I would prefer medium. Then we have image aspect ratio. So you can also select that how your products will be shown on your store. So I have selected 1:1, but you can go with maybe landscape 3:2, and it will show it like this. And then we have portrait, which is 2:3. So 1:1 actually looks pretty good, and it kind of like matches with the whole theme. We also have a darken image background. So if you want to go with a darker one, you can go with enabled, or if you want to disable it, you can do that. So I actually like a darkened image background, so I'm going to go with this one. Moving on, we have product card details and layout. So this is how a product card looks like, and I can just simply go with center content, align content to the left. For example, you can see if I select this option, then this detail will be aligned to the left. Or we can just justify the content according to the picture. So I prefer in center, so I'm going to select this option. Then we have product card frame, product price, we have button. If you want to show the button buy now, then you can show it. So I'm going to do that. And you can see now I have like buy now button with all of my different products. It looks good. And then we have other additional options. Moving on, we have category name position. And you can just select the position, of course, if it's going to be below, above, or in the center. So I have selected right here, display category name on the image. It looks pretty good. Then we have product page layout. Once a customer opens a product, this is what it looks like. And I can just design the product page right here. And we can select 2-column product description is the right. So I have selected the right section. You can go with 3 columns. You can go with 2 columns. It depends on you. Then we have image gallery thumbnails and sidebars. In sidebar, you can see the product name, breadcrumbs. Then we have product SKU, price, stock button, wholesale price. And then we have product attributes and share button. So these are the details I'm getting here, and they look pretty good, and I can just select the different options. And then we have other options as well, such as storefront and navigation colors, and you can change all the color of your store right here, and you can change the design. And last, we have create a CSS theme, and if you want to create a customized theme, you can go ahead and do that as well. So this is how you will be changing the design of your Ecwid store. It's really easy to do. Once you are done, you can just click on save, and your changes will be saved, and you will be able to customize your store on Ecwid. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.